What did Grace say right before
She's
you
like,
came in?
let's do this.
And then, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow to hear you?
I don't know. The Kraken might be released. I'm just nervous for it. Either way, it's gonna happen because of the slideshow and the speeches. I break every time.
Cry.
It's nerve-wracking. That's okay. I'm ready.
Okay. Ready.
There's no turning back, dudes.
None.
It's happening. But if you ever see if there's ever an instance where the groom doesn't appear, there's a 0.5% chance.
No.
I'm kidding.
That's not gonna happen.
Ha! We know where you live.
I'm gonna be hiding in a bush somewhere.
I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna go home. How are you getting there?
It's just us two are going.
Oh, okay. Are you going with
Hi.
Tammy? Yeah.
Hi, Christopher.
I have a car. I thought I saw it. Yeah.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kiki.
Bye, Cutester.
Oh wait, that was for this. Oh, okay.